Welcome to the future of the internet. In today's video, we'll dive deep into Web3 and the future of web development. If you've heard about blockchain, decentralized applications, dApps, smart contracts, AI-driven web design, and more, but don't fully understand how they impact the web, then this video is for you. Let's explore how Web3 is changing everything we know about the internet. To understand Web3, we first need to look at how the web has evolved over the years. Web1 was the static web from the 1990s to the early 2000s, featuring static websites with read-only content, no interactivity, databases, or user-generated content. Then came Web2, the social and interactive web from the mid-2000s to the present, which saw the rise of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, allowing users to create and share content. However, centralized platforms like Google, Amazon, and Meta dominated, monetizing through ads and data tracking. Now we are entering Web3, the decentralized web of the future, built on blockchain technology, focusing on decentralization, privacy, and user control, where power shifts from corporations to users, enabling smart contracts, dApps, and token economies. Web3 is a major shift in how we interact with the internet. Let's break it down. The core principles of Web3 include decentralization, meaning no single entity controls the web, blockchain-based transactions verified by a distributed network, self-sovereign identity, where users own their data and identities, and a token economy powered by cryptocurrencies and NFTs. The key technologies behind Web3 are blockchain, which is the foundation of Web3, smart contracts, which are self-executing code on the blockchain, decentralized applications, dApps, that run on decentralized networks, IPFS, a decentralized alternative to HTTP, and DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, which enable community-led governance. Now, let's discuss the future of web development in Web3. Traditional hosting relies on centralized servers, but Web3 promotes decentralized storage solutions like IPFS, Arweave, and Filecoin. Developers will use languages like Solidity and Rust for blockchain-based applications, with smart contracts replacing traditional backend logic, and dApps enabling peer-to-peer interactions without middlemen. We'll also see AI integration, with AI-powered web applications that learn and adapt to user behavior, chatbots, and AI-driven UX design for personalized experiences. Privacy and security enhancements will include zero-knowledge proofs for secure authentication without revealing data, and decentralized identity systems replacing passwords. For developers, there are several tools and frameworks to consider. Programming languages like Solidity for Ethereum smart contracts, Rust for Solana, Polkadot, and near blockchain development, and JavaScript with Web3.js for interacting with blockchain from the front end will be essential. Development frameworks like Truffle and Hardhat for smart contract development and testing, the Graph for indexing blockchain data, and IPFS and Arweave for decentralized storage solutions will be crucial. Front-end and UI in Web3 will still rely on popular frameworks like React and Next.js, with Tailwind CSS and Web3 libraries enhancing user experience, along with wallet integrations with MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Phantom. Web3 is just one part of the bigger picture. Let's look at other major trends shaping the future of web development. The rise of AI in web development includes AI-generated code using tools like GitHub Copilot and automated UI/UX design using AI predictions. The evolution of JavaScript and new frameworks like Dino.js as a potential successor to Node.js and WebAssembly, allowing faster execution of web apps, will also play a role. Additionally, the metaverse and 3D web experiences will blend VR/AR with Web3 for immersive web experiences, utilizing frameworks like 3.js for 3D web applications. Finally, edge computing and serverless architecture will provide faster load times and reduced latency, with platforms like Cloudflare Workers and AWS Lambda dominating. We've covered a lot today, from Web1 to Web3, blockchain, AI, decentralized applications, and the future of web development. The internet is evolving faster than ever, and as developers, creators, and users, we need to stay ahead. Web3 is the next evolution of the internet, decentralized, blockchain-powered, and user-controlled. Smart contracts, dApps, and DAOs are shaping new business models. Privacy, security, and self-sovereign identity will become crucial. AI, the metaverse, and WebAssembly are pushing web development into new frontiers. Web developers must adapt to new tools, frameworks, and paradigms. What do you think about Web3? Are you excited or skeptical? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the future of technology.